Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the cornerstones of effective management, the 5 key functions of management. Whether you're a manager or just starting to build your leadership skills, understanding these 5 functions is crucial for success in any organization. So let's break it down. The 5 management functions, planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating, and controlling, are like the gears in a well-oiled machine. When each one works together, the organization moves smoothly and achieves its goals. Let's explore each function in detail. First up is planning. You can think of planning as the foundation of all management activities. It's about setting clear goals and defining the best path to achieve them. Whether you're launching a new project or strategizing for the year ahead, planning helps you decide what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, and who will do it. Effective planning involves several key steps. Setting objectives. What do you want to achieve? Identifying resources. What do you need to get there? Anticipating potential challenges. What could go wrong and how do we prevent it? Creating action plans. How do we stay on track? Without a solid plan, you're essentially navigating in the dark. Next is organizing. Once the plan is in place, organizing ensures that all the moving parts are aligned and that everything is in the right place. It's time to organize the resources, people, equipment, finances, and time that will make it happen. Organizing ensures that all the moving parts are aligned and that everything is in the right place. This is where you define roles and responsibilities, who does what. Structuring teams. How do we group people to achieve maximum efficiency? Allocating resources. How do we distribute the necessary tools and budget? Effective organization streamlines the workflow, prevents confusion, and sets clear expectations for everyone involved. Now let's talk about staffing. No organization can function without the right people in place. Staffing is all about recruiting, hiring, training, and retaining the best talent. You want individuals who not only have the right skills, but also fit well with the company culture. Staffing also includes employee development. How do you support your team's growth? Performance management. Are people meeting expectations? Motivation and retention. How do you keep top talent on board? Without the right people, even the best plan and organization can fall apart. Moving on to coordinating. Coordination is the glue that binds everything together. This includes, it's the manager's job to ensure that various departments, teams, or individuals are working towards the same goals, keeping communication open and fostering collaboration. This includes aligning efforts, making sure everyone is on the same page. Facilitating communication, encouraging open channels for feedback and updates. Resolving conflicts, addressing issues as they arise so that they don't disrupt the flow of work. When coordination is done right, all parts of the organization are moving in sync towards a shared vision. Last, but definitely not least, is controlling. This function is about ensuring that things are running according to plan and that the desired outcomes are being achieved. It's all about monitoring performance, comparing it to the established standards, and making adjustments when necessary. Key activities under controlling include setting performance standards. What does success look like? Monitoring progress. Are we on track? Taking corrective action. What needs to change if things aren't going as planned? Controlling keeps everything on course and ensures that resources are being used efficiently. So, there you have it, the 5 key functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating, and controlling. Each of these functions plays a crucial role in ensuring that an organization achieves its goals and runs efficiently. As a manager, mastering these functions will help you lead your team to success and make informed decisions at every stage of your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more management tips and insights. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to dive deeper into any of these functions.